Hello, this is Hui. Welcome to watch my video C++ Programming on Linux. In a couple of previous videos, I have demonstrated how to connect to MongoDB and how to query documents from MongoDB. Some viewer asked to make a video to demonstrate how to update the document from MongoDB. Thank you, Carl, to watch my video, and your feedback is always great help. Here on the Linux, I have a MongoDB, and I have a database called test, and I have the collection called player, so db. And in my collection player, I have 3 player record. I have one record is a gender is a female, and the level is advanced. So we are going to make a program to update this record, gender female, and the level from advanced to intermediate. Here is on my C++. It's just a main program, and as we say, in order to connect to MongoDB, you have to install the mongocxx and the bsoncxx, and you have to include this include file, which include for the bsoncxx. We have to include the document, and the KVP is the key value pair, which is and also so we have to use this KVP make array and make document. So if to start to connect to MongoDB, first we have, in order to save in typing, and we have to be just making copy paste. So we have instantialized an instance, that's the first, and we set up URI, which is my MongoDB localhost and port number. So I create a connection which connect to my MongoDB, and I have a collection called my collection, and which use the test database, and the collection name is the player, and we know we have 3 records in my collection. So now we started making update. We using the collection update 1 because we know this is a 1 record, so we use the update 1 method. So and so I just so my collection, we use the update 1 method. In this update 1 method, we have to pass 2 documents. First one is we use the make document method to create the query, which says the gender is a female. And the second document will be the document with $set, which we got this document we return from this query, and we making the subdocument update level. This is we know currently is advanced, so we change to intermediate. So now let's save this, make this. So now we build that. So as we say, our MongoDB currently is gender female, level is advanced. So we just compiled our program. We just run this update. So after this update, this gender female level advanced will becomes intermediate. So let's connect this again. Use test and db.player.find. You can see before our female gender, the level is advanced. And after we run our program, the gender female level became intermediate. So in order to make this compile working, there's a couple of things when you making build. One thing is you have to set up this as a C++ 17 because that's a mongocxx and bsoncxx using some specification of C++ 17. And you have to make sure when you compile the library will be include mongocxx, bsoncxx. And sometimes if for sure you have you'd better to give the the header file directory, which means the program can easily to find this header file. So this is the way to update a Mongo database. So we use the my collection, and update one we use a make document to make two documents. First one which is put the query. You can put one query key value and two key values. Hello, this is Hui. Thanks to watch my video. Hopefully this is useful, and it's going to be great to have your feedback.